a great choice today with the 2018 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, heated seats, power passenger seat, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, security system, fog lights, trip computer, electronic stability control, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, power windows, compass, CD player, brake assist. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.